Hello scientists! Here we are with our flowing water model. So you all are going to observe what happens when water flows over the surface of the geosphere. And you're going to answer the questions, do landforms remain after the water stops flowing? So we have our bucket of water, some tubing to help us get the water flowing, and of course some sand in a tray to represent the geosphere. So I am going to get the water started and I want you to make your observations. Okay, so the water has started flowing and here we are. Let's look. So our water is steadily flowing. Okay, so it has flowed for several minutes and this is what the surface looks like. I hope you guys can see. So it looks like some channels were created over the surface of the land from where the water flowed. Okay, so observe what happens when the water flows.
You.